parts of words called?
Syllable.
Oh, let me hear everybody's voice. So what are parts of words called, everybody?
Syllables.
You've got it. And a syllable must have at least one vowel. So the vowels are, this one. A, E, I, O, and U, right? And most often, Y is actually a vowel also. Let's review the short vowel sounds, okay? What's the short vowel sound for A? Okay, my turn. A. What sound? A. My turn. A. Your turn. E. I. Okay, your turn. Ready?
Send a student with the field trip.
My turn. A. What sound? Good. I like that your eyes are up here looking at the vowels. E. Let me hear everyone's important voice. I. I. Let me hear everyone's important voice. There we go. All right, you're ready. What are all the other letters in the alphabet are called consonants? Name some consonants for me. Just shout them out.
B.
Yep.
C.
Uh-huh. Q is a good one.
F.
Give me one more.
G.
H. And what was that one? V?
T.
T. Okay, these are all vowels. What are these? What are these, everyone? Vowels. And all the other letters are consonants. What are these?
Consonants.
Okay, good start. Let me hear everyone's important voice. I'm going to leave those vowels up. Look at this word. Now, when we learn syllable types, we use easy words to start with. But you're learning a concept. You're learning a concept, so we're going to use easy words to start with, okay? How many vowels do you see in this word, everyone?
One.
Oh, I like that loud voice. Let me hear everyone's voice. How many vowels do you see, everyone?
One.
Name it.
A.
Name the vowel. Let me hear everyone's voice. Name the vowel.
A.
There we go. Are there any consonants closing it in at the end?
Yes.
Name it.
T.
T. When there is one vowel and it's closed in at the end by a consonant, then this is a closed syllable. What kind of syllable, everyone?
Closed.
Let me hear everyone's important voice.
Closed.
What kind of syllable?
Closed.
A closed syllable, because there's one vowel and it's closed in at the end. This is a closed syllable. In a closed syllable, the vowel sound is short. What's the short sound of A again? Ah. What's the short sound of A? Ah. Nice job. So when I say elbows up, you're going to go like this with your finger, okay? And you're going to point to this word, and I'm going to say scoop and read, and you're going to scoop your finger, okay? So elbows up. Let me see everybody's eyes right here on the word. Scoop and read. Thank you. I heard one from one person. Let's try that again. Scoop and read.
Bat.
Let me hear everyone's important voice. Okay, so we are learning, I know you know how to read this word, but we're learning about what a closed syllable is. Let's try the next word. How many vowels do you see?
One.
Nice and loud, everyone. How many vowels do you see?
One.
Name it.
A.
Is there a consonant closing it in on the end?
Yes.
Name it.
T.
In this syllable, there's one vowel, and it's closed at the end by a consonant, but we don't need a consonant in front for this to be a closed syllable. It It just has to come at the end after the vowel. Make sense? All right, in a closed syllable, the vowel sound is short. What's the sound of short A, everyone? You're getting it. What's the sound of short A? Ah, there you go. Elbows up. Nice, I see everyone's pointing. Scoop and read this word. Nice work. Let me hear everyone now. I need to hear all your voices. Ready? Scoop and read. At. Do you hear the ah sound in that word? At. Okay, let's try another one. How many vowels do you see? How many vowels do you see?
2.
Let's check. Here are our vowels. Sometimes why? Here are our vowels. How many vowels do you see? 1. Name it. I. Let me hear everyone's important voice. Name it. Yeah, we get to be loud, you guys. In this syllable, oh, are there any consonants closing it in at the end?
Yes.
Name them. Let me hear everyone's important voice. Name them. SH. And SH, does it make 2 sounds or 1 sound? It makes 1 sound. In this syllable, there is 1 vowel, and it's closed in at the end by more than 1 consonant. This is a closed syllable. What kind of syllable, everyone?
Closed.
Let me hear everyone. You've got a great voice. What kind of syllable?
Closed.
Thank you. In a closed syllable, is the vowel sound it or I? Let me hear everyone. It. In the closed syllable, it's going to be the short sound it. Elbows up. I like that your eyes are on the word. Scoop and read.
Wish.
Let's try that all together. I need to hear everyone's voice. Ready?
Wish.
Nice job reading together. Thank you. All right, let's try another word. How many vowels do you see, everyone?
1.
Name it.
O.
Let me hear everyone's voice. How many vowels do you see?
1.
How many vowels do you see?
1.
Name it.
O.
Oh. Is there a consonant closing this vowel in at the end?
No.
No. This is not a closed syllable. I tried tricking you. A closed syllable has only 1 vowel, and the vowel must be closed in at the end by a consonant, right? Doesn't matter if there's anything here, it's at the end. This is not a closed syllable. We're not even going to bother reading it. Ooh, this one's tricky. Q needs a buddy letter, U. When U is a buddy for Q, Q is not acting as a vowel. So we put these 2 together. It's not an active vowel, it's not a busy vowel, right? So if U is not acting as a vowel, it's just a buddy to Q. How many vowels do you see, everyone?
1.
Let me hear everyone's voice. How many vowels do you see?
1.
Name it.
I.
Are there consonants closing it in at the end?
Yes.
Are there consonants closing in at the end?
Yes.
Name them.
CK.
There you go. And CK makes 1 sound. In a closed syllable, is the vowel sound it or I? Everyone? Good. Is the vowel sound it or I? Elbows up. Scoop and read.
Quick.
Nice job. Okay, so remember, when U is with Q, it's not acting as a vowel, right? Did you know that? Did you know that about English language? It's a new rule. Okay, let's play a game. We are going to divide the cards I have in my hand into either closed or other. You have to decide, but don't call it out. Okay? Let me see if I can find a hard one to start with. Okay, take a look at this word. Think, don't blurt. Look at this word. Is it going to be go under closed or under other? Everyone?
Other.
Okay. What do you think? I hear both. Is there one vowel? Is it closed in at the end by a consonant?
Yes.
So is this a closed syllable?
Yes.
Okay, so is it going to go under closed or other, everyone? Is it going to go under a closed syllable or other?
Closed.
There we go. Let's read this word. Elbows up. Scoop and read.
Up.
Okay. Look closely. Think about the rule, and it's right here. Think about the rule. Is there one vowel? Is it closed in at the end? Is this going to be under closed, or is it not closed? Is it other? Everybody, voices together.
Closed.
Nice. Let's read from the top. Ready? Up.
Clap.
Yeah, clap's a nonsense word. It doesn't have any meaning. Is it closed or other? Maybe trying to trick you. Think about the rule of a closed syllable. Everybody, closed or other?
Other.
Okay, we're not going to bother reading that one. But tell me, why is this other? There's a vowel. There's only one vowel.
Because there's no other kind of consonant.
Closing it in, right? Closing in that vowel. Nice explanation. Mhm. Is it closed or other, everyone?
Closed.
Nice job. I thought I was going to trick you because there's a U there. Why is that not closed? Or why is this still closed? What's the U a buddy letter to?
Oh.
There are two consonants and that QU is working together, right? All right, let's read from the top. Ready? Elbows up, everyone. Here we go.
Up. Clap. Quick.
Nice reading. Okay. Closed or other. Think carefully. How many vowels can a closed syllable have, everyone?
One.
One. Is this closed or other, everyone? Other. Why is this other?
Because there's two vowels.
There are two vowels, so this can't be a closed syllable, right? Okay. Closed or other? Closed or other? Everyone?
Other.
Other. Tell me, why is this other? Two what? Vowels or consonants? It has two vowels. Nice explanation. Two vowels. How many vowels can a closed syllable have, everyone?
One.
Just one. All right, I've got two left. Let's see. Think closed or other. Everyone closed or other?
Closed.
Closed. Let's tap this one. I'm going to show you how to do some tapping. Okay, let's tap this one because this is a hard one. It's got some letter combinations that are tough. So, does everyone know baseball, softball, where the runners touch the base, but you can only have one runner on the base at a time, right? At home. Okay, so everyone show me home base. So this is your home base and these are your runners. Okay? So let's practice tapping together. Watch me first. So each letter or each sound is going to get one tap. Ready? Watch me. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, can you try that? It's kind of hard to do, so say it with me. Tap, 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 tap. Then you're going to grab the word. Okay? So let's tap this word that's on this card. I'm going to make it nice and big. Watch me first. Okay? B, E, O, Ch. You see how each sound gets a tap? Watch me again. B, E, O, Ch. Belch. Let's try it. So hands up. Try tapping with me. So each letter gets a tap, or each sound gets a tap. Ready? B, E, O, Ch. Yep, this is one sound. Ch. Let's try that one more time so I can watch you. Ready? B, What word? Belch. Does anyone know what belch means? Belch means burp. So if you belch, you burp. Okay, and you said this is closed or other, everyone?
Close.
Good. Let's read from the top. Ready?
Up, grab, quick,
Belch. Last one. Closed or other, everyone? Other. Tell me why this is other, bud. Well, it has 2 consonants, but what about the vowels? How many vowels are there? 2. And how many vowels can a closed syllable have, everyone? 1. So we're going to put that under other. Nice job explaining that. All right. Thanks for helping me with that sort. I've got a bunch of smarty pants in here. Okay, when you go back to your seat, I'm going to show you what to do so everyone knows when they go back to their chair. I'm going to ask you to turn your notebook so it's landscape, it's sideways like this, okay? And on your notebook, you're going to use the whole page, and you're going to draw a quadrant, or you're going to draw a big cross on the whole page, okay? And you're going to number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Everyone got that? All right. So when you're going back to your seats, if you're sitting on this side, will you please just walk around this way? And if you're going to sit on this side, just walk carefully past the camera, okay? And just be mindful. So let's have the back row go and find their seats first.